Hello there, I'm William. Please watch this video until the end. It is absolutely hilarious. Lake Cara Catastrophe. Get it? Catastrophe? I laughed so much I didn't get to my kitty litter in time. Henry's just cleaning it up now.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where in the world you are and what time it is. Just been cleaning up after William, a little bit of a mess. He had an accident this morning in the caravan, and talking about accidents, so did I.
Oh God, that was funny.
It wasn't that funny.
Yes, it was.
Well, maybe it was. The table that goes down to form a double bed in the caravan, I sat on top of the mattress this morning to put my shoes on, and the table broke and collapsed. I ended up in a big pile on the caravan floor, which William thought was hilarious. And so what we're going to do is we're going to cut this trip down from 2 days down to one. We spent last night here. Going to go head off home. Going to fix the table if I can, to get the caravan into 100% condition again. If not, I'll replace the table. But in the meantime, let's have a look at what we saw at Lake Cara. I think you'll enjoy it. It's a fantastic place. This probably be coming back again really soon. Here in Tasmania, it's morning. It's absolutely gorgeous day today. It's going to be about 30 degrees, which in Tasmania is very hot. It's like 40 degrees in Melbourne. And where am I? I'm on the banks of Lake Cara in Tasmania. I haven't been here before. I found it on Wikicamps, and it's absolutely, I'm the only person here. Actually, it was a duck this morning which I gave some bread to. I know you're not supposed to give them bread, but it's all I had. Wouldn't take Fruit Loops or Cocoa Pops. You know what I had for breakfast, don't you? No, I'm going to point camera right that way. I'll show you what it's like here. I'm basically right on the banks of the lake. I'm 3 meters from the water. It's absolutely fantastic. William sat at the doorway. He is on a tether, so if he goes out he won't get very far. I say we've got a duck on the lake. I can't go fishing because I don't have a license. I forgot to get that, so I will get a license sometime. Yeah, absolutely fantastic. I'll show you. I'm going to go for a walk and I'll take you with me and you tell me what you think. So here we go. I'm using my electronic gimbal because it could take me a while to get used to it, but if you want to see where I am, have a look at this for a camping spot, a free one. So I'm just going for a walk. There's quite a few paths to walk around, so I'll go and have a look. I've got my EPIRB with me, my PLB, personal locator beam, just in case I fall and break a leg or something. There it is. And I also have my sat phone as well in my pocket, just in case. I'm a klutz. If anyone's going to fall over and hurt themselves, it's going to be me. So, God, I was so nimble as a kid. Now, although it's a long time. Let's have a look and see where I'm going. This is the most beautiful part of Tasmania. On warm days like this, you just need to keep your eye out for snakes, but they normally slither away once they hear you coming. path here really narrow, so I'm going to follow it and see where it goes, if it goes anywhere. Well, I'm going to start heading back to the van because I'm feeling quite tired. It's a bit of a walk, and yeah, I'll meet you back at the van. As you can see, I made it back to the van safe and sound. So what I'm going to do now is just explain how I fixed the table. As you can see in the shot, the table broke in two. I just put some battens underneath it, so I didn't have to replace the table, just the top, which I got some self-adhesive floor tiles, and I put them on the top, being a floor layer by trade. It didn't take me too long, and I think it's come up quite well. I may have to change the floor tiles in the caravan to match now. What do you think? Hello, and thank you for watching. I like Lake Cara. I was a bit frightened of that duck because it was bigger than me, and some of the trout in the lake was bigger than me as well, so I didn't go for a swim. But could I ask you to hit that subscribe button and the like icon? And if you hit the notification bell and hit all, you'll know exactly when we put another video up, which should be every week. This is William. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon.